Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to install a long vertical joiner. Long vertical joiner can be used with both the self-lock and the prime lock. We refer to the self-lock version as a small and the prime lock as a large. As always, we need 100mm ground clearance to sealed ground. We need 600 centered studs maximum and vapor permeable sarking. So now we get back to the joiner. The joiner can be done off stud. You'd be pinning the joiner at those noggings all the way ground to floor. There's many ways you can install it. This way's been done off a window. It is quite popular just for aesthetics, but you can also do it on a full wall where it can be hidden by a downpipe. So if Jackson comes in now, he'll show you how easy it is to install. And now we move on to our prime lock, which is a lapped weatherboard. The lapped weatherboard requires a 20mm large long vertical joiner compared to the self-lock, which is the 10mm because it's flat against the frame. The major benefits of using the long vertical joiner is for faster install and less waste. Less cuts, but if you do have to cut the product, please ensure that you do reprime with a tannin blocking water-based primer. And if you are going to paint the long vertical joiner itself, please make sure you etch prime before you do so, otherwise the paint won't adhere properly.